कैरेन ने अतिरिक्त केचप की जिद करने के बाद मैनेजर से मिलने की मांग की, लेकिन फिर ज्यादा केचप होने पर गुस्सा हो गई।
Mr. Ketchup, is this? Where's your manager? Can I speak to your manager? I asked for extra ketchup, and I got ketchup. What is this? What is this? This is so much ketchup. I can't eat that. Are you making fun of me because I'm on a diet?
बिल्कुल सही, केचप कैरेन डाइट पर थी, लेकिन उसने मैकडॉनल्ड्स में एक रसदार बर्गर खाने का फैसला किया। लेकिन जाहिर है केचप कैरेन ने कुछ गलत नहीं किया।
I did nothing wrong.
सचमुच उसने कुछ गलत नहीं किया।
Literally, I did nothing wrong.
What is this? What is this? Sugar and ketchup?
So I wanted to come out and publicly let everyone know that that was me in the video. After this video was published on TikTok, it went viral and news organizations wrote about me. And I honestly have no idea. I am simply baffled that this is possible. People found out where I work and they sent the video to my employer. I was then fired from my job. That's right, I was fired. Which I find to be extremely unfair because all I was doing was going to get my weekly cheat meal, and it was the McDonald's employees that did not follow the simple directions that I asked for. So I felt that I had the right to come in and let them know that my burger was not made correctly.
What is this? What is this?
लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि यही एकमात्र राज है जो केचप कैरेन छुपा रही है, तो फिर से सोचें। अपने टिकटॉक चैनल पर वह गर्व से अपनी डाइट जारी रखती है, जो एक हफ्ते तक सिर्फ कुत्ते का खाना खाने के अलावा कुछ नहीं थी। लेकिन चिंता मत करो, उसके अपने शब्दों में, तुम्हें इसे करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि उसने यह पहले ही तुम्हारे लिए कर दिया। केचप कैरेन ने हमें यह भी दिखाया कि कई कैरेन अपनी गलतियों को कभी नहीं मानती, भले ही वे कैमरे पर सीधे पकड़ी जाएं।
Guys, I caught the vegan lady eating a cheeseburger.
No, I'm not.
It's right in your hand.
Give me that phone.
लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम एक कैरेन के बारे में बात करें जो सोचती है कि स्टारबक्स किसी साजिश से जुड़ा है, चलो खुद से पूछें, कौन सज्जन होगा और इस वीडियो को लाइक
One of you is
करेगा?
going to be a gentleman. Show me. Show me which one of you is going to be a gentleman. Show me. Are there no gentlemen left in this? Are there no ladies left in this world?
They're kids.
Move out of the way. No, don't touch me.
This is what happens when you're being nice.
Move. I have a right not to be touched. And you have the space to move. Get out of the way. Which one are you going to be a gentleman? Which one are you going to be a gentleman? Which one? Which one? You have the space to move by. Why? Why are you not moving? Why? Why are you not being a gentleman? Why? Why? Why are you not being a gentleman to me? What did I do to you that I caused you to not be a gentleman to me? I don't even know you. I don't even know you. I don't know you.
हालांकि हम इस कैरेन को नहीं जानते, हमें यकीन है कि अगली कैरेन के पास अब तक की सबसे पागलपन भरी षड्यंत्र सिद्धांत होंगे।
Donald J. Trump is now president of the United States. President Obama. For the
What a great
inaugural
honor
address.
to be able to introduce for the first time ever anywhere the 45th.
There's so much potential for beauty and for devastation. In this one moment, it's just almost incomprehensible that they can exist right now. So close. I am so sorry to my world. I am so sorry to my world. This is not what we want.
उस जोक के लिए माफ कीजिए, लेकिन मजाक को एक तरफ रखते हुए तैयार हो जाइए अब तक की सबसे पागल षड्यंत्र सिद्धांत के।
illegal to yell here. Excuse me, ma'am. You are held when you are visiting the city. Would you please ask your family to correct it? You have been fired and sued several times. I will not leave your store. You have been asked very loudly about your family's contracts. You do not live off this salary. Goodbye, with the understanding I asked quietly and it is not illegal to be loud.
जब भीड़ ने उसका विदाई करते हुए जयकार किया, बाद में कर्मचारी ने असल में क्या हुआ इसकी चौंकाने वाली सच्चाई का खुलासा किया।
That lady, she came in at like 6:30 and she asked for a medium coffee, and I was like, just hold on a minute, like we'll get to you as soon as we can because we were kind of short-staffed. So she went and she sat in the corner and she like argued with herself for like a while. So I asked her 2 or 3 times. I was like, hey ma'am, like we have your coffee over here. If you want to come like pay for it, we're ready to ring you out whenever you're ready. And she just acted like she didn't hear me, right? So we just give her the coffee to get her out because she was really freaking us out. And then she comes back 3 hours later and she starts really aggressively asking one of the other people who work there about her family's contract and all these really weird questions, right? So somebody else asks her to like, they're like, hey ma'am, if you're gonna be aggressive, we're gonna have to ask you to leave, right? And then she starts yelling like that. So here's the crazy part. Here's what she was yelling about. She had this conspiracy theory that Starbucks workers have like really close ties with the military. And we all sign contracts with them because we don't make a livable wage. Like we wouldn't be able to survive off of what we make. And that in turn, we're ruining military families because of that.
कैरेन कुत्ते का खाना खा रही हैं, पागलपन भरी षड्यंत्र से। और कैरेन आपसे अनुरोध कर रही हैं कि आप एक सज्जन बने और टिप्पणी करें। मैं नीचे एक सज्जन हूँ।
Which one of you is going to be a gentleman? Show me! Show me which one of you is going to be a gentleman!
जबकि ये कैरेन चौंकाने वाले थे। आइए वीडियो का अंत एक एंटी कैरेन पल के साथ करें।
Billy Gilbert, 11, rescued a leopard shark that had got trapped between 2 rocks at low tide. It's remarkable to see such compassion from a little girl.
Great job, darling. Oh, beautiful job.